Girl, I hope you got some money for this blowout I just gave you. All right, now we're ready to get these things waxed, baby. What's up, guys? Skelly here. And Wax Lady said, y'all been asking about me. Listen, I'm still here. Y'all know my month is right around the corner, so Wax Lady been giving me a little vacation. Ooh, Wax Lady, you using 2 colors? What is this? Oh, you know what? That looked like that Cherry Desire, and the other one looked like Hypnotic Purple Seduction from Sexy Smooth Wax. Ooh, these look nice together, Wax Lady. I'm not even gonna try to touch them because I know how you is. You might take away my privileges in October, so go ahead and take those off all by yourself. Let me see. Ooh. Okay, I see you doing a little something Sexy Smooth Wax. Now we're gonna go ahead and do a cleanup, y'all. Always do a cleanup. Whoa, wowzers. Wax Lady, you mixing them? Ooh, that looks so delicious. Ooh, Wax Lady, I know I said I wasn't gonna help, but you at least got to let me take that one off because it looks so nice. How do you mix them like that, Wax Lady? You a mixologist lady now. Ha 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 ha. Let me take... Oh, Wax Lady, come on, it's so pretty. Whatever, stagger that bad boy and follow up with aftercare. Don't forget the wax on sale. Go and grab you some, y'all. Ooh, girl, you looking good. Let me just... Oh, so shit, sorry, Wax Lady. I did not mean to do that. Bye.